This one upgrade can completely change how your home looks, sounds, and functions, but most people don't realize it until their garage door fails. This door right here is past repair, and when that happens, you're not just choosing a new door. You're making a decision that affects your home's safety, appearance, and long-term cost. The problem is, most people don't know what actually matters when choosing a garage door. So they either overpay or end up with something that doesn't last. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how garage door installation works, what your options really are, and what to look for so you make the right decision the first time. Garage doors go through a lot over time: heat, humidity, daily use, and constant movement. Most homeowners don't think about it, but your garage door is one of the largest moving parts in your home. Over the years, panels can weaken, hardware wears out, and the system starts losing balance. At a certain point, repairs stop making sense, and replacing the door becomes the safer and more cost-effective option. Here's exactly what happens when we install a new garage door. First, we measure your opening and evaluate the structure to make sure the new door fits properly. Then, we safely remove the existing door and hardware, making sure everything is cleared out and ready for the new system. Next, we install new tracks, panels, and the spring system, all matched specifically to the size and weight of your door. After that, we balance the door and connect the opener so everything runs smoothly and safely. Finally, we test the system multiple times to make sure it opens, closes, and seals properly. This is where a lot of installation jobs go wrong. Some installs focus only on getting the door up, but skip over the details that affect how long it actually lasts. Things like proper alignment, correct spring sizing, and full system balance make a big difference over time. At Dynamic Garage Doors, we focus on getting the entire system right, not just installing the door. We also walk you through your options so you understand what you're getting and why. Once the new door is installed, the difference is immediate. It opens smoothly, runs quieter, and gives your home a completely updated look. You'll also have a system that's properly balanced and built to last, with fewer issues over time. And most importantly, you don't have to worry about it failing when you need it. If your garage door is beyond repair or you're starting to see signs of failure, a quick inspection can help you understand your options. We'll take a look, walk you through what makes sense for your home, and help you make a confident decision. And if you want to learn more about repairs, maintenance, and what to watch for, check out the rest of these videos in this playlist, and like and subscribe.